Good morning, everyone. Hope you all have a grand day. Thought I'd take you for a little walk around, seeing it's not blowing a gale out around here. Let you see all the animals. I just placed some popcorn on the ground for them. They love popcorn, just like I do. They're all getting water over there. I left them in the coop yesterday. It was too windy. It was blowing a gale here. And we'll go over to my wood pile. That's my 2B split wood pile. I used to do that by hand with a, I don't know if you can see it, it's right over there leaning against the log, 8-pound splitting maul. Most of it I get done now with a 20-ton gas log splitter. And that stuff there is just ready to go in the basement. And that guy there is the last log. I ran out of gas the other day when I was cutting it all, and I didn't get time to come back and cut him. And then we move over here. And that's one of the results of the windstorm yesterday. I did have stuff stored in there, but the cover wouldn't stay on. She stayed down because I got her anchored down pretty good, but the cover come off, so I had to come out and throw tires on it and keep the cover from blowing away altogether. But she stayed down for the most part. She came one peg that I had in the ground came out, but other than that she was pretty good. So I took everything out of the shed and I got it put in this building here now, my shed. So that's a bit crowded. That's our greenhouse, to be our greenhouse. Just needs the plastic. And that's it. So I hope everybody, that's our view out the driveway. I hope everybody has a beautiful day. It's starting out a little bit windy, but not bad. And just remember, keep smiling and stay positive. Or the reverse, stay positive and keep smiling. Don't forget to smile. Have a good one.